Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Today I wanted to show you the final reveal on my Easter basket mini album. So this is it. It does stand on its own, and this is the front. And on the front, remember I said I was going to put some kind of closure here. So I chose some seam binding, and the way I attach the seam binding so that it doesn't come off, I put a eyelet on there attaching the seam binding to this handle so that it doesn't get lost, or it doesn't, you just don't lose it. So this is the front. On the front side, I have put some pearl flowers on the top that I had in my stash, and I had these little flowers from Easter. I think it was last year, and you guys saw the paper that I used, but this I fussy cut out of the one of the 6x6 cut aparts. So I cut this one out and I put that as the front of the mini album. This bow was in a swap for Valentine's Day, and I just put a purple pom-pom in the center. And then I did, like always, I used my little bling throughout. There's another piece. Okay, so, and this grass, I actually had that from last year as well. I had one strip left over, and I went ahead and put it at the bottom along with little bunny. And you guys know I don't use a lot of stickers, but I had some flower ones, so I went ahead. This is the last one that I had from this pink one, and I used flower stickers. The last of the flower stickers that I had. Actually, if I look through my stickers, I may have some more, I don't know. But I put this stem on there, and this comes from I don't remember. I think it comes from Joann. I had bought a few sprays, like 2 or 3 little sprays of these little pearl sprays, and then I put this little stamen piece, stamen, and then I put some flowers on there, and you can't tell very well, at least I can't looking through the camera. Yeah, there you go. I used Wink of Stella on this bigger pink rose, and then I put a couple of other pink roses, and I used a green one, and I used Wink of Stella on all of them, along with the center of this, the grass, and where it says Easter, it also has Wink of Stella. So that's the front of the mini album, and this is the side. So these little eggs come from Hobby Lobby, and this is the last I had of that one strip that I put on the front. I went ahead and put it at the bottom. I just did a ribbon bow on the top. I put a flower in the center, and I had one green enamel dot, this green, so I went ahead and used it. And I just love these filigree eggs. And then these little guys are from last year. And then this is the back. Okay, so, and oh, at the bottom here, I did use this pink trim that I have in my stash. It's really wide, and I never know what to do with it, but I thought it was a good match there. So to open the mini, you just untie the bow. There we go. And I'm going to pull this through so that it doesn't get in our way. So we open it up, and this is the first page. Right here I have a die for the little Polaroid, and then I put acetate on there, and you can put a picture in there. So I left this out a little bit so they'll know that they can pull that out and put a picture in there. And then again, I used stickers that I had in my stash. So they're just just stickers from my stash. This little guy I had from last year. So I backed the Polaroid onto some pink cards, or pattern paper from the scraps that I had from here. So this is the first page, and this is the second. I fussy cut these out of the page, which is this page right here. So I fussy cut that, put the bunny on there, some bling pieces. I put this topper on this little piece right here, and then the eggs, and then this opens with Velcro and it opens down so you can do pictures right there. And that's the second page. And I didn't do anything to any of the handles on the top. I should have maybe put some kind of trim or something on there, but I left it as it was. And then this is the next page. This is just the pink mat, and the bottom mat is also from the paper collection, and it is up on dimensions so that it's not flush with the page, and it just adds a little more to it. A couple more stickers, the little bunny, and again my bling pieces and these little jewels. And then this page, these are, I believe I only had 2 of these. I don't think I have any others. So I put them on this page, and I fussy cut this one out and did little stickers here and there. And I put a little bling right in the center of the cameras. And then this page, you open it up again with Velcro, and put a picture there and some pictures right here. So, you know, I wanted to maximize the space so that we can put more pictures in this little, you know, in this little album. So, and then you flip it over, and then I put a little, oh, look, there's a little piece of grass. Oh no, I'm gonna have to fix that. A little piece of grass got stuck on there. Look at that. Oh, okay. So more stickers, and then this is just like a little tuck spot. That little tuck spot holds these 2 little photo Polaroid frames, and these are also open on the top so that you can put a photo in there. I just didn't put acetate on the front, and the little bunnies are not stuck to this bottom piece. They're only stuck to the top. So yeah, I like the way those little Polaroids came out. Totally love them. And then you just tuck them back in there, and you can actually put another photo right there. So these are just tucked back in there. And then this one is just a photo mat and a little envelope with some more flower stickers, and then again the bling throughout with the little stickers there. And then we flip it over, and this one again is just a photo mat. Got this cute little bunny there with a sticker, and this one is a little photo page as well. So I was gonna leave this empty, and then all of a sudden, I don't know why I put this little photo frame in there, but I did. And then I have another little photo frame right here at the bottom, the little, I forgot what you call these little thingies, but this opens up and you can put 2 more pictures right there. And then you just tuck it under this one leaf, and it'll hold it closed. Yeah, I like this page. Although I really should have left this with nothing on it. So it's too late. I don't think I can take it off without damaging the paper. So there we go. And then this page, again, this one's just a photo mat with stickers, the little bunnies, and some little sparkles. And then this one is a little pocket, and in the pocket, I like the little, these are carrots from last year, the little bunny that I've used throughout. And I did forget to tell you, I used washi on the back of these, and the washi was too wide, so I had to cut it down to size. All of them, I had to cut all of them down to size, and I had to be really careful. And you guys know I cannot cut a straight line to save my life. And then, so this is another another bow that I got in a swap, and I just lined it with this pretty paper that was left over, you know, from the scraps. And that's why these are different colors, because I was using scraps. I just don't like to, you know, throw them away. I want to do something with them. I need to use them. So this one opens up and becomes a little you know, a little booklet, and you can actually fit 4 pictures, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 on the back, 4. And then I had the cut aparts from one of the pages, I cut them down to fit in here, and you can actually put, you know, photos on the back or journal or whatever it is that we want to do with it. And there we go. And that is how my little album turned out, guys. I was happy. I mean, I think it turned out great. I mean, in spite of the fact that I had never made one, I wasn't sure how I was going to do it. That split hinge system worked out really good. And I think I'm going to continue to use that system that I don't know if anyone else has ever made a system like that. You know, but so I'm going to continue to use it because I think it worked out well. And then there is the bow. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me know what you think, how you think it turned out. I personally loved it. All right, guys, I can't wait to fill this up. I will talk to everyone later, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. You know, take all the precautions that we need and that we need to take, and just stay safe. All right, guys, I love you so much. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.